Hi, welcome to Inspire UI. Let's continue with the series of videos showing you how to create your own mobile app using FluxBuilder App Builder. A popular client request is to display videos on the slider banner of the app's homepage. Let's explore how to configure MP4 and YouTube videos for the slider banner. Sign in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select the app you created, or select any of the apps in the featured app section below. In banner image, you can show image or video. Enter the URL of the MP4 video or YouTube video here. Let's start with MP4 video. Go to your website and upload a video. This message will be displayed. It means the video will not show here due to frame limitation, but you have successfully configured it, and the video will display smoothly on the app. Please make sure to choose the slider type of banner to display the video. Now we continue to set to display YouTube video on slider banner. That's it. You have successfully placed the video displayed on the slider banner. You can choose other types of banners. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.